welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a Grove collaborative haul that I made the other night, and I just got that haul today. I just got that stuff that I ordered today, so I wanted to make that for you. So let's get started. So the first thing I got was the caddy. I got this for free when I ordered, so I'm really excited. I really did want the caddy. I might put it next to my sink and put all my stuff in here. That would be great. And then I got the Ultra Soft bath tissue. I got these because I wanted to try them out, and I think I got these for free, or I must have ordered them, but I did want to try these out and I wanted to see how they were, so I got that. And then I got the glass spray bottle, the 16 ounce. I wanted to get the glass bottle because I want to make my own homemade cleaning spray with a little bit of lemon and a little bit of apple cider vinegar and water, and see if that would help with some of the gunk that I have around the house, and it also takes out the smells, so that will be great because our dog is like, when you have dogs, it always smells like dogs around the house. And then I got these for free, the Ultra Soft tissues. They are 100% sustainable bamboo and sugarcane, just like the toilet paper. And I'm kind of excited about this because it is cold flu season here, and we've been kind of sick. And then my husband has allergies. So this will be exciting. And then I also got the lemon verbena scent. The Mrs. Meyer's for the multi-surface everyday cleaner. So what I noticed when I got this order is that everything I order when it comes to scents was the wrong scent. I wanted to order basil, but I must have last minute accidentally clicked something, and I must have ordered a different scent, or they just got it wrong. But either way, I really like the scent lemon. But I really do like the basil one way better than the honeysuckle. So it would have been great if it would have been honeysuckle instead of lemon, but it's whatever. I'll survive. And then the room refreshener right now, the Mrs. Meyer room refreshener and lavender scent. Right now I have the room refreshener, but I have the honeysuckle, and it's a little bit strong. I like the scent and I really enjoy it, but it's very, very strong. So I want to see how the lavender scent is. I ordered basil, but for some reason I got that one. So it's whatever, it's okay. And then I got the hand soap. It's made with olive oil and aloe vera. So right now I do have a Mrs. Meyer's one, but I believe it's like honey and something like that. And this one's in the lavender scent. And then I got the dish soap. Right now I'm literally at the last drop of the basil, so I wanted to order a new one, but again I got the lemon scent, and it's okay, it's just for dishes, and lemon does smell a lot fresher when it comes to dishes and things like that. But I do love the smell of basil. It just smells so good. So then I also ordered some of these sponges because I like using the brush that I have, but I like using the sponges when there's skunk in it and the brush just doesn't seem to get it off. I like to use these. And then I got these for free. These are the less waste, more clean. It's the ultra absorbent European dishcloth. So I'm guessing is a dish cloth for dishes. It's kind of like the same as these, but just in a cloth. So I want to see how those turn out to be. And then I also got the peppermint bar soap. It's made with organic coconut oil and olive oils, and it smells so good. I opened it to smell it. It smells delicious, so I'm excited to use this because I feel like in the shower will be with the steam and the peppermint, it was so refreshing, and it feels so good. I don't know, I feel like it will have a great experience. And then I got a little sample of the laundry detergent by Mrs. Meyer's. I did use their fabric softener I think it was a month ago, but the only bad thing about it is that it's so small. It runs out so quickly, and for a family of 4, I just don't see like that's possible. So I would have to continuously buy one every week and every other week, and it just seems like a waste. So that's why I usually get my stuff from Costco, because it's just in bulks. But I did see Love Meg video, I'll link it down below, where she mentioned all her favorites, like her favorites of this year, and one of them was Methods detergent and laundry softener, because of the reason that they were so big. So I might just give those a try instead, just because it sounds like it's a little bit more reasonable for my, you know, she has a family of 4 and so do I, so it just seems a little bit more reasonable for that matter. And then I also got the 7th generation Powerful Clean dishwasher detergent packs. I just use the regular, you know, dishwasher packs from the typical brands at the store, but I want to try to use a little bit more organic stuff, just because I feel like we're eating out of those plates and then the chemicals of that dishwasher soap are on it, and that for some reason like stuck to me the other day when I was like putting the dishes in the dishwasher. So I wanted to see if I could find something that is just as good as the regular dishwasher, you know, the typical chemical based one, and I wanted to see if I can find something a little bit more like eco-friendly. So I got that one, and then I also got the Daily Shower Natural by Method. This one is in the eucalyptus mint. I know I like mint, so I want to see how this goes. I want to see if this will help me kind of maintain my shower longer periods of time, not necessarily go without cleaning ever, like deep cleaning, but I want to see if this will elongate the deep cleaning day, just because I do work a lot and it's a little bit hard for me to clean every day. So maybe this one will be good, especially if I'm about to give the kids a bath. I'll just like, you know, put this really quick and scrub it and then rinse it out, and then maybe it's good to go. And the last thing I got was this glass cleaner. It's by the brand Grove, the Grove Collaborative, and I didn't know they were based here in San Francisco. I'm from the East Bay, so they're like literally right here on the corner, so that's really cool. I didn't know that. So this one is the glass cleaner, and it's in the orange and rosemary scent. The reason why I got this is because right now I'm using the Method glass cleaner, and it's the smell mint, and I do like it. It is extremely good. It's one of the best organic glass cleaners that I've ever used in my life, but I don't like the scent. It smells like Windex, and I don't like it, and I don't like the other scent that they have. I forgot what the other scent it was, but I don't like their scents when it comes to glass cleaners. I wish they'd do a different one. So I want to see if this one is as good as that one, and if it smells better. And if it is better and it smells better, I'm just gonna start buying this one. But if not, then I'll just survive. I mean, it's a really good glass cleaner. The Method glass cleaner is the best glass cleaner I've ever used, besides Windex, obviously. But Windex is pretty bad. It has a lot of chemicals in it, and when you're spraying it, you're like, you know, smelling, and everything's going inside you, and you don't want that. So that's the last thing I got in the box. It was pretty big. I did order quite a bit of stuff for what I usually order from them, but I wanted to get some of the stuff that I was running out of, and I also wanted to kind of see, try different things that I do want to use, and see what I can get a use out of it, and things like that. But I hope you guys like this video, and please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!